Jamaica is unique and beautiful. Come and take a tour with me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Welcome to the channel, guys. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So right now I am in the Westmoreland. I am in the Darliston area. As you can see on your left, you have the Darliston post office, also the police station. So we're going to enter now into a small town area. We don't call them Darliston town, you know. Yeah, man, so thanks for joining the channel. So enjoy the tour with Fire Reid. So the direction I'm traveling now is northwest direction. Darliston town. From Darliston town to Newmarket is about 25 minutes drive. Always remember to like up the video, guys. Like up the video. Yeah, man, your tour guide Fire Reid. Yeah, man, so you know, so we're at the total gas station at Darliston. Also you have your mini mart. So I will make a right turn which take us to Seaport town area. But I was thinking my destination would be to Rose Hill. I go through them hit here and have to blow no horn, you know. times there are some look a bit a lonely road when you come to Jamaica, so you have to know them place there, inside or outside. But you're on the right channel. Big up on yourself and paper. If it was not for you all, this channel would not be growing. So thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. Many places to go. As you can see, I'm in the Westmoreland parish area. You know, Westmoreland is a very big parish. You know, to go up on the Negril side. Yeah man, so a lot of things you can do in Westmoreland. Go up on the White Sand Beach, 7 Mile Beach in Negril, and also you can go to the Cool Runnings Park, Rick's Cafe. Yeah, but we're on the other side of Westmoreland. So hopefully soon I can give you a tour of them nice tourist area. Yeah man, so we're on the other side of Westmoreland, you know? Because a lot of persons always forget the rural areas them. Them always show the pretty side like the tourist area. Yeah man, so man take your time out to know the other side of Westmoreland. Yeah man, you got Westmoreland, you can go to Mayfield Falls the same way. Fenton Falls, them place there. Yeah man, I say it's, if you want to make a fast move in Jamaica, you have to have a bike. Take you fast anywhere you want to go. Very no traffic. Yeah man, so you don't know, GPS don't really work perfect everywhere in Jamaica. Yeah, because right now I'm traveling southeast. What I see on my GPS, I'm very close to a gas station, also restaurant. Yeah man, so not all the while a GPS work 100% in Jamaica. Sometimes it take it to some different places, so just have an idea some of the time where you're going. I always try to know a landmark, so yeah, if you know a landmark you know, so you're in that area there. So that's all the while GPS work, guys. Yeah man. Yeah man, just like up the video, just give it a big like, free of cost, because that's the reason why YouTube want to send this go all over the world. Just give it a big like. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. To go to some nice places in Jamaica, your man, you still have to drive some of the country area. Them that's some bush up place same way, so just know them area the same way. I know in the Jamaica always have a small corner shop. Yeah man, every little community I don't have no corner shop, but you can get a little red stripe here, mackerel, rice or flour. Them little things that when they run out of them things, they don't have to really go to the big supermarket until the weekend. Just stop on the corner shop and get a little tin mackerel or pound of chicken. Anything you want, stop right at the corner shop. So big up all the corner shop people them, you know. Part of survival in the life same way. That's the way how you earn your honest bread in life. So big up on yourself. As you can see in this area, it's a bit lonely. As you can see one and two houses, but that's on the main. So right here is a little bit of a lonely area. So you need to expect this area also, it's a bit lonely. So guys, just keep on watching the video until the end. Because you don't know, knowing Jamaica is the best thing right now, because you know this is where a lot of persons came for a vacation when I live in Jamaica. So I'm gonna enjoy my sweet Jamaica, land we love. Yeah man, natural beauty. The top boy in the country area, you can get your sweet sap, get your corn, get your jackfruit, pumpkin, everything you can get by the countryside. Free of cost most of the time. When you go up on the town area, you know, say it's very expensive in the town area. Yeah man, so you have to watch out them corner here. A lot of persons when they come to Jamaica, they kind of scared to drive in Jamaica, but once you're going to drive in Jamaica with people, just take your time, let no one haste you off the road. Just take your little time, stay on the lane, use up the signal, blow on the horn, because there are some persons on the road and some taxi drivers. If they realize they are drive too slow, them are going to blow you off of the road until you come out of the way. So just take a little time on your own pace and go to your destination. So guys, if you make the left turn, gonna take you all to the C4 town area. If you make the right turn, that will take you right back into New Market area. Yeah man, so many different routes you can take to go. If you don't come from Holland Bamboo Santa Cruz area, if you don't want to go if the road blocking at the hills, you can take it through Darliston. Yeah man, so if you know them area, you know. So I will not take you all to C4 town today. I will take you all to Rose Hill area. I think it's the same place in Darliston right here at the gas station. A lot of persons, a lot of people pass this gas station. A lot of people pass the gas station when they go Montego Bay Airport. So that's the way I'm gonna, that's where I'm gonna stop. That's my journey. So I wanna thank you guys again for watching the channel. So on your left you have the Seventh-day Adventist Church of Rose Hill. I remember guys, you have a Rose Hill in Manchester.